Hello everyone. Today we are going to see all types of cassowary. Number 1. Southern cassowary. The southern cassowary is a large flightless bird native to the forests of New Guinea and nearby islands. It is the second heaviest bird in the world after the ostrich and is the second tallest after the emu. The southern cassowary is a large and colorful bird with black plumage and bright blue and red facial wattles. It has long, slender legs and a small neck. Its head is topped with a bright casque, ranging in size from about 4 to 15 centimeters. The southern cassowary can grow up to 2 meters in height and weigh up to 77 kilograms. The cassowary is primarily a herbivore, eating mainly fruit, seeds, fungi and leaves. It also eats small animals including insects, snails, worms, reptiles and amphibians. They prefer areas with lowland rainforest which are found along the eastern coast and interior of Queensland, Australia. Cassowaries are also found in the mountainous regions of New Guinea, although their range in New Guinea is much more limited. Number 2. Northern cassowary. The northern cassowary is among the most unique animals on the planet, with its huge multicolored feathers, vibrant green neck and imposing stature. The feathers are usually black in color, but they may have a lighter color of blue and gold feathers near the neck. The animal's yellow-orange bill is long and curved and is supported by a bony casque on the forehead. The beak is slightly curved and the throat sac is bright blue in color. Its legs and feet are large and powerful, ranging from blue to gray in color. The northern cassowary is exceptionally large, reaching up to 1.5 to 1.8 meters in height and 50 to 70 kilograms in weight. Adult males can be larger than females. The diet of the northern cassowary is mainly composed of fruit that has fallen off the surrounding rainforest trees. The bird will also eat small animals, reptiles, frogs, fungi, and leaves. Northern cassowaries inhabit tropical rainforests of Australia, New Guinea, and surrounding islands. They prefer areas with dense vegetation, near or in wetlands, and require ample coverage of deep leaf litter for nesting. Number 3. Dwarf Cassowary. The dwarf cassowary is a flightless bird native to New Guinea. They are approximately 75 to 110 centimeters tall and can weigh up to 18 kilograms. They are very colorful, having blue to purple neck feathers, red wattles, brown wings, yellow legs, and a black body. They have sharp talons and a large thick bill. Dwarf cassowaries are omnivores, meaning they eat both plants and animals. Their diet primarily consists of fruits, plants, tiny invertebrates, fungi, and small vertebrates such as lizards and frogs. They'll also sometimes eat carrion. They are rather shy and timid birds, so they are rarely seen in the wild. They are solitary creatures and will generally only come together to breed. They have a loud haunting call, which is their main form of communication. The dwarf cassowary is found in a variety of habitats, ranging from lowland rainforests to tropical woodlands. It is usually found near the edges of forests or in dense undergrowth or among mountain vegetation. Thanks for watching.